Hey guys, this is Cody Johnson with Rearview Broker, and today I'm going to be giving you an interior tour of this 2019 Winnebago ERA 70B. Starting at the entrance, you have a cab seat right here. Behind that, you'll have your automatic awning buttons, extend and retract, as well as your battery disconnect switch. Above this seat, you'll have your Truma on-demand hot water heater controls, your inverter control switch, and also all of your lights. It does have a touch screen panel where you can go in and turn your generator on, control your water pump, your thermostat, your awning as well, more lights, and also check all your levels of your fresh, black, and gray. This unit is equipped with solar panels, so you have your solar charger control. Directly in front of the main entrance, you'll have your 12-volt Nova Cool refrigerator. Storage above that. To the left of that, you have more storage, GFCI outlet. Kitchen sink. Three-burner stovetop. Microwave. Lots and lots of storage. This unit is equipped with an AC on it, non-ducted. To the left of the kitchen, you have entry to your bathroom. Sink and shower head. In the back, this does make into the bed. You have a seating section here, as well as the couch in the back. To the left of that, you have your flat screen TV. Control switch for the lights, USB ports and outlets. Down below here, you have your LP leak detector. Vinyl touch ceilings with rope lighting across. Max air fan. If you guys have any questions about this unit, make sure to reach out to us at rearviewbroker.com. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching.